Hi, viewers of H2O channel. Very important topic we will be discussing today. That is vaccines. Uh, what kind of vaccine to use, whether to vaccinate at all, are we safe, for how long do we have to wait between first and second vaccine? For how long will this be effective? These are some of the questions which are lingering in people's minds, and I'm going to be answering just that. So, regarding the vaccines, first things first, coronavirus, the studies which have shown very clearly that vaccines are very effective against coronavirus. So, will you be absolutely be safe? You won't get coronavirus at all? No. Each vaccine is safeguarded to some percentage. Some are 90% safe, some are 80% safe. So, but definitely, if you are vaccinated, you stand a very strong chance of getting having a lesser infection, at least, if not being totally protected. So definitely, I advise very strongly, I recommend very strongly that vaccination is an important thing and it should be taken at the earliest. So, at what age groups can we take? Now, anywhere in India, 18 years and above till any age, the higher end can go for the virus. So, can a patient with taking immunosuppressive drugs or cancer drugs, can they get vaccinated? Yes, with certain amount of tests being done on them, we can vaccinate and we should vaccinate. Please take the advice of your particular oncologist. So it would depend on the cancer to cancer, but yes, we do recommend that strongly. Can lactating mothers and pregnant mothers take the coronavirus vaccine? Yes, that some of them have been recommended for lactating mothers, but pregnant mothers still we are there is no conclusive data. So, which vaccine is good? That is a major question now. In India, we have Covishield by AstraZeneca, by Covaxin by Bharat Biotech, and Sputnik is going to be getting launched soon. So, which of them to vaccinate? So, I feel any of these three vaccines is okay. Please go ahead and vaccinate. Right now, from the messages I get, if you're going to be traveling abroad, the certification by Covishield is authenticated. Covaxin is still not approved for foreign travel. I'm not sure about Sputnik either. But otherwise, in terms of safety, I feel all three of them are okay. Please go ahead and vaccinate yourself at the earliest. And regarding the dosage, meaning between the first and second dose, how long to wait? Earlier, the government said about 1 month, 28 days to 1 month. Now they have extended. Based on what the government says, please go ahead with that. And how long is it? Meaning, will it be effective? It will be at least effective for about 1 year. Some of them, depending on vaccine to vaccine, which will be told you after which a booster dose needs to be given. So these are some of the things. If you have, and what are the side effects? Will you get side effects? What do they mean? So when you take a vaccine shot, even India has been vaccinating children for many years. Definitely for mumps, measles, and rubella, we are vaccinating for polio. We are vaccinating children. They do have sometimes body pain and fever for a day or two. Similarly, this vaccine also will have. Some of them don't get it, so what? No problem. But it is effective for both of them. So, if a person with who has been affected by corona, can he go for the vaccine or should he go for the vaccine? Yes, he should go for the vaccine. It is important, but there is a big but. Um, they should go for a test of the ferritin levels, D-dimer, C-reactive protein, and LDH needs to be checked. And once these are under control, the vaccine can be taken. So, otherwise, I guess pretty much most of the questions have been answered about the vaccines for coronavirus. Please go ahead. In case if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Click the subscribe button and share to all your friends and relatives. Dr. Sashi Kumar, take care and have a nice day.